Hisense A9 always stays and reboot in this interface, constantly updating Google and restarting repeatedly. How to solved. Very simple. Forcibly return to the factory design. It will OK. The steps are as follows. Press and hold the startup button, the volume down button at the same time, about 20-30 seconds, and release your hand when you feel the vibration. Now release your hand when you feel the vibration. And show the new operation interface. Select the first option to enter recovery mode. Select the second option to erase the user data. This interface asks you if you want to clear all the data to confirm again. If so, please press the volume plus button to confirm now. After confirmation, release your hand and wait for the mobile phone to run to clear the data and restore the factory design. This wait is about 1 minute, and it will be fine. However, if you operate the new machine startup mode of your mobile phone can be used normally. However, this will make the Google you installed before disappear, so you need to install it yourself. Want to know how to install? Pay attention to me, and I will have a detailed tutorial. We have the installed videos, tutorials, as well as provided documentation, but you need to be in the Chin store order customers. Thank you. Thank you for your support.